If I'm approved for my Social Security disability benefits, will my children get any benefits? Supporting your family and your children can be tough if you're unable to work. Do you know that depending on the type of Social Security benefits you receive, your children may also be eligible for Social Security benefits? Do you know how much they're entitled to? Let's learn more. There are two types of Social Security disability benefits: Social Security disability benefits, known as SSDI, or Supplemental Security Income benefits, known as SSI. If you worked a sufficient number of quarters, you can become insured for Social Security disability purposes. Now, the amount of your benefits will depend on how much you paid into the Social Security system. If you're awarded Social Security disability benefits, your dependents will also get a monthly benefit when you start getting your Social Security benefits. Now, on the other hand, if you haven't worked a sufficient number of quarters to become insured for Social Security disability purposes, you might be eligible to get benefits based on need. Unfortunately, if you qualify for SSI, the only benefits that are payable are to you. SSI does not provide dependent benefits to your children. So what are the requirements for your child to receive benefits? If you qualify for SSDI, your children will be eligible for benefits based on your disability. SSA considers biological children, adopted children who are dependent, stepchildren to be the child of a disabled individual. So your child can receive benefits if they're unmarried and if they're younger than 18. Unmarried children who are 18 years or older and are enrolled full-time as a student in a secondary school, or if the child is disabled and it occurred before the child turned 22, can still be entitled to get Social Security disability benefits. How do you apply for those benefits? Well, to apply for the benefits for your child as a result of your disability, you're going to need the following. You're going to need your Social Security number, your child's Social Security number, your child's birth certificate. If you're trying to obtain benefits for your child who's a full-time student over the age of 18, you have to prove enrollment in school. How much will your dependent child get in benefits? Well, what you and your child is paid depends on how much money you've contributed to the Social Security system. You can go to ssa.gov to learn how much your disability benefits are going to be. Generally, your child will get up to 50% of your total Social Security benefits. However, there's a maximum amount that a family can receive, and that's based on one's individual disability benefits. The family limit is usually 150 to 180% of the SSDI benefit awarded to the disabled individual. If you have more than one child, each child will receive a prorated percentage of the 50%. In other words, if you're disabled and you're getting $2,000 per month, your child will receive 50% or $1,000 per month. But if you have more than one child, their percentage is lowered equally to the total family benefit amount falls below the percentage limit set by Social Security. In other words, if you have two children, and using that example I just gave you, each child will receive $500 per month until they drop off. Well, how long will your dependent children continue to receive benefits? Children generally will get the dependent SSI benefits until they reach the age of 18, at which time the benefits will end the month before their 18th birthday. If your child's a full-time student, the benefit ends when they graduate from or leave a secondary school, or 2 months after they turn 19, whichever happens first. Now, if you have a disabled child who's become disabled before age 22, their monthly dependent benefits will continue indefinitely. If you pass, your children will continue to receive Social Security survivor benefits so long as they continue to be eligible. What should you do if your doctor's told you to stop work and apply for your Social Security benefits, or your claim's been denied? There's a lot at stake. Your Social Security disability benefits, the eligibility for Medicare and Social Security disability benefits for your children are some of the things that are at stake. You can't afford to make a mistake. Making the decision to stop work and apply for your benefits can be tough. But once you've made that difficult decision, you need an experienced Social Security disability attorney who can guide you through the claims process, submit your medical records, and winning residual functional capacity forms to the Social Security Administration, or appeal a wrongful denial. If you've got to go to a hearing in front of an administrative law judge, you need to be prepared for that big day. You need to have the assistance of an experienced attorney to present your case. Don't put it all on the line by representing yourself. Call today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation.